Got it.
Hi.
We are
Behind
talking
the scenes.
exactly talking about the Harvey Seatbelt Bag Trunk Show.
Yep, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th.
Friday,
And-
Saturday, Sunday.
Yes. And we're having in-store specials, some truffles and other beverages and things like that for you to come and try. This is going to be our drawing. We're going to be giving away a hipster. So you have to come in and register.
We thought it was a good time for a hipster because when
Yeah.
you go do all your Christmas shopping,
Yeah.
it's easy to carry.
There's so much you can do with this. It's
Let's
just
see.
It makes you go like this to think about all the different ways, which is good. You can you can use it as a wristlet.
Chris is entertaining herself at this moment.
I'm stuck on my bracelets. Okay. You can use it as a hipster, or a crossbody,
Very good.
and then you can tighten it and use it as a hipster.
Cute. Love it. Love it. And that is the one we are going to be drawing for.
Or use it as a little wallet in your big purse.
Oh, la la. Well, I mean la la. Okay. Sounds good. We will see you soon.
See you.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Harvey's Trunk.